Hey everyone, so you have wavy hair or curly hair and you want to make it straight. I've done a lot of videos on how to make straight hair wavy, but I've gotten a lot of comments from people saying, well, how do I make my wavy hair straight? It's really only a few ways you can do it. Either a chemical process like a relaxer or a keratin treatment to smooth out and straighten those curls or waves, or you can do it the manual way, which takes some time, but it's, the easiest on your hair. However, keep in mind, the minute that your hair becomes wet or damp or any water hits it, it's going to go back to how it normally was. It's not going to stay like this forever. So what I'm going to do today is demonstrate the process of blow drying a section from this wavy kind of texture here into making it straight. Now, obviously, can it be more curly? Yes. Can it be more wavy? Yes, but the technique remains the same. Now, what I'm going to be doing today is using a few products. This right here is a top secret product that I'm going to be launching probably in the next, month to 2 months. I've locked down the formula. I can't disclose what it is because it's going to be groundbreaking, and I'm telling you, this is something new. You've probably barely heard about what I'm going to be doing with this. But it's really going to add moisture to your hair. It's going to help defrizz your hair. It's going to help with flyaways. It's going to help smooth out your hair. It's going to help your hair if it's very, very dry and you need that kind of added moisture to your hair. It's really remarkable. This is one of 3 of the formulas that I've tested. It's probably not going to be this color. This is just to show you. It's very, very kind of flashy. This was another sample right here. So it's just added color, whatever. We can not do that. However, it's going to be a home run. So what I'm going to do is then use my round brush. This is my ceramic ionic technology round brush, which helps smooth the hair out. It helps prevent the heat damage. You can dry the hair faster with this. I'm going to be utilizing my ionic blow dryer, and all this can be found, except the new product, at shop.thesalonguy.com, and use code YouTube20. All right. The dryer, however, is only sold in the United States due to wattage and voltage issues and differences. So United States only. So here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just dampen a section right here in the front, and I'm just going to spray this down with water. All right. So let's spray this down. Get it a little bit damp here. Now, also what's important is you have to, as you can see, there's some hair length here, right? The hair length plays an important role in all this because if your hair is too short, it's almost like, what's the point? You're going to have to get some sort of, chemical process done to your hair and so on because it's so short. The only time I would suggest doing that is if you are looking to grow your hair out, okay? So here we go. I'm just going to brush this down so you can see there it is. Now the hair is straight. When wavy hair or curly hair, usually for the most part, is wet, you're able to straighten it a bit more. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray in this product right here. 1, 2, 3 spritzes. That should be fine. And now I'm just going to, gosh, and the smell of this is incredible. I'm just going to comb this down to make sure the product is saturated. Now, the next thing is the blow dry itself. So what I'm going to do is just talk about this, then I'm going to demonstrate it. So you want to make sure when you are blow drying your hair that you aren't frying your hair. What I like to do is I like to wrap the hair around a few times to get the knots out or to get any sort of tangles out. And I'm just going to section this off a little bit here, push this out of the way. So here we have our first section. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this on full heat, full speed, and I'm going to blow dry this all forward because that's what's going to help smooth it out the best. So here we go. All right, there we go. So now, first thing is I want to talk to you about a couple of things and point out a few things. Look at how smooth this hair is right here. Let's just get all this hair out of the way. Look at how silky smooth that is. I can literally run my fingers through it like this, and I mean, this is, when I launch this, you are all going to be blown away by the technology and what I've created here, all right? So, look at, the hair is perfectly straight now. If you wanted to brush this back, you just run your fingers through it, brush it back, and there we go. It's gonna go back into the hair, and it's going to be able to be smooth, just like this, as you can see. And then you can style it with whatever product that you want, and you should be, you know, good to go. But there it is. So now we've created the straight look, and if you did this throughout your entire head, right, it's gonna take some time, but you'll be able to make the hair straight, and you can, again, do maybe a slick back, or you can wear the hair forward and kind of like the TikToker, look like this. But either way, just to show you there it is. See how straight it is, and we're good to go. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.